guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya and today we are going to do the most messy thing ever. Actually, I'm incorrect. We are going to clean the mess that I have created in last week. So I'm just gonna show a glimpse of it to you. So this is my shoe mess that I have created and I am going to clean it with you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I got some recently new pair of my shoes and I'm going to show you one by one how that looks. Okay, so I got a lot of pairs. Okay, so this one, the green pattern that I got, it is from Bata. I mean, I wanted something very simple and very elegant, and this is something that I got from Bata. And I'm going to arrange this in my piece. And apart from that, I got additional shoes as well. I'm going to show it to you one by one. Then I have this another pair of shoes from Venus Steps. It's again a good brand, sells good shoes, and I got these black jutis from there. See how pretty that looks. So I'm gonna add this into my wardrobe again. Moving on to the next one, I recently opened this, but again I got this from Venus Steps. So these are again my footwears from Venus Steps. It's quite a pretty one. So this is another thing that I got. And I got one more pair of shoes, and that one was from Mochi. And I don't remember where I kept it. Oh, yeah. This last one I got from Mochi. So that's also very pretty and very chic ones. So now we're gonna arrange all of these together. So there are a few shoes that I have to discard also. Like if you see this one, firstly these are very dirty. I'm going to get it clean, but I'm not going to discard it because this is something that I'm going to be wearing on Holi. Because on Holi you always need shoes, a pair of shoes to go with, you know, your things, any outfit or whatever you wear. So I'm going to clear the first, this first things first. So okay, this is done. Let's move on to the second one. So I have these pair of shoes, not really shoes, these are flats actually, but I'm going to discard these ones because guys, इनका time हो गया है. See, it's been done and dusted to death. I mean, it is about to get wear and tear, and I don't want to continue wearing this anymore, so I'm going to discard this one. Moving on, I have these heels. I pretty much like these heels a lot. I got it from Shopper Stop. It's quite dirty right now, but we're going to get it cleaned. But this will go into my shoe rack for sure. Another pair of black shoes, Jutis precisely, that I got from Bata. But it's already done and dusted to death, so I'm not going to wear this anymore, and we're going to discard this for now. Again, I had a very beautiful heels that I like to wear everywhere because they were so comfortable, but this time when I was wearing them for a meeting, client meeting, they said goodbye to me because it's all done and I really can't wear these anymore, so I'm going to discard this one out. Now these footwears, as you can see, these are like very dirty, but I got it from, I think, Udaipur, and I pretty much love it because it goes really well with my Indian attire, so I am definitely going to keep this one. One of my most favorite ones are this Always on Vacay. So I got these ones from Goa and I really loved it because it gives you all that holiday vibe, so I'm going to keep this one. So yes, there are always some pairs in your cupboard or in your shoe rack that you never wear but you don't want to discard it. I also have one pair like that. So I have these black shoes, Jutis precisely, heeled ones, that I got it from Delco while I was going to give an interview for my air hostess. I know I'm not into air hostess and cabin crew, but I wanted to, and so I did this purchase. But I don't know why, I just don't ever wear it, but I always like to keep it in my shoe rack, so I'm still gonna keep the same. Then again, I have a white heels that I have it's block heels, and this has gone haywire because this has become very loose, and whenever I wear it, it always takes my leg out, so it's not at all comfortable. So we are going to discard this one as well. Then I have these shoes from Kelsetto, and these are quite comfortable, but the problem only with these shoes are that it is green color, and green color doesn't really go with everything. So I have to think like multiple times before wearing this, but I'm going to get it clean and I'm going to keep it back in my cupboard. One of my most favorite shoes that I can never ever give up on are my black shoes. These I took it from Adidas. They have become quite dirty, to be very honest, but they are so comfortable, they are so light, and I'm going to hold on to this one as well. Moving on, I have these black boots. They have become quite dirty again, but this is something that I love to wear in winters, and I have only one boots left, so I'm going to hold on to this one because this is like really comfortable and it has heels also, and it just gives me the perfect walk that I like to take, so I'm going to hold on to this. Then we have this super cute footwears that I usually wear in winters. As you can see, they're like super cute, and my mom got this for me, so of course I'm going to get it washed and hold on to this one. Then I have a footwear that initially I loved, but now I don't like wearing it, but it's like fairly new, so I don't want to discard it also. So this is that footwear, and I really don't know what to do with these ones, so I'm going to think about it whether I want to keep it or I'm going to discard it. So let's just wait till the end of the video to know. Then I have one male footwears, and I have a story behind this. It's not really male footwears, but it's unisex. And my father once came to my flat just for once, and he was like, तुम्हारे घर में मेल्स के लिए कुछ होता नहीं है क्या? So that was the time it hit me hard, and I got these footwears. It's like I think 200 or 300 something, but I always keep this stuff just in case somebody comes, and I should have a pair for them. So that's why I have these, and I am definitely going to keep it because it's super clean and it's super new. So yeah. why not? I have a discarded slippers of mine. I mean, I don't wear it anymore because it's not comfortable, but I'm still going to hold it just in case somebody comes to my flat and need an extra pair of footwears. So it is that footwear that I have kept, and I am going to hold on to this one. Sometimes you purchase stuff, but then you don't know how to pair it, when to pair it, and with what dress to pair it. So I also have one kind of footwear that I have, and I just don't know what to do with these because I got it because I was absolutely loving these long strings. But now I don't have a dress that would go well with it. It is super clean from downside because I haven't really worn it a single time also, and I'm still finding a perfect dress that would go with this one. So I'm going to hold on to this one because I just can't discard it. Then I have another black footwear. I have a lot of black footwears to be very honest, and this is another one. It's an Indian footwear. I mean, it usually goes with my Indian outfits, and I absolutely love the work on it. And this is again from Mochi, and I'm going to hold on to this one. Last but not the least, I have a white footwear that I absolutely love, but now I have to discard it because it's all tethered and it's just done and dusted. So this is something that I'm going to remove from my wardrobe by now because I just can't wear it anymore. So yeah. So I have these like super cool heels that I have it that usually goes on my western dresses. So whenever I have to wear something western, I prefer these ones.